In this video, we will learn how to use weight loss tracker in Excel sheet. So let's start. Just click on the file tab. You get here the so many templates. More templates click on. There are the so many categories available of templates available. Click on the personal category. You can see here there's so many templates available related to personal. So we are going to learn how to use the weight loss template tracker. Okay, you can see here this is a weight loss tracker. Just click on that. Click on the create option. Here you can see the goal weight chart view. Okay, show the goal weight. Yes, weekly basis chart is available. What is your goal? 172 weight. It is a your goal. You can see here the chart, the weekly basis mentioned here. Sunday to Sunday. You can see here the small table also here available. Every Sunday the weight is here mentioned. Okay, every Sunday of the month of the year, and weekly basis chart is available here. You can see the your weight loss chart, and you can plan for the weight loss as per accordingly. This chart is a help to analyze your weight loss tracker. Analyze your weight, how many days it's get the effect to weight loss. So here you can easily analyze your weight loss tracker. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.